This is why you need turmeric water. Imagine waking up and giving your body a golden boost that sets you up for success. Ready to dive into the magic of turmeric water? Hey there, health warriors. Ever started your day feeling sluggish or bloated? What if I told you that a glass of turmeric water on an empty stomach could change all that? Yes, turmeric. That golden spice from your kitchen is not just for curries. Rich in curcumin, turmeric battles inflammation and fires up your digestion by getting that bile flowing. Think of it as a wake-up call for your stomach, prepping it for the day's work. And hey, it's not just about digestion. Your liver, that mighty detox machine, gets a helping hand too. Turmeric shields it from damage, keeping it healthy and active. It's like giving your liver a mini shield every morning. Speaking of protection, turmeric is also a warrior for your immune system. It strengthens your body's defenses so you can fend off those pesky germs. And if you're trying to get in shape or keep your skin glowing, turmeric is your go-to. It supports weight loss and gives your skin that natural glow. So why not start tomorrow with a glass of turmeric water? It's simple, it's effective, and hey, it's nature's own magic potion for your health. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health hacks. Here's to health, and here's to you staying golden.